I'm Sheldon Laub, and I'm the CEO of a brand new startup called Zwamy. Zwamy is a really big idea. And in one simple sentence, we're going to do for images what Spotify does for music. There are already 5 of us working on this project. Collectively, we've started, I think, 20 to 25 different startups. I've been involved in 4 myself. We've taken startups from a few people to billion-dollar market cap public companies. It's an incredible ride, and we're starting it again together. We're looking for people who love to program. If you love to create great code and are excited by the idea that potentially millions of people can be using the code you wrote, that's what we're looking for. This is a standard stack using open source components. It's an application that both has a part that runs on smart devices, a server component, and then some really cool stuff on the other side we'll talk about when we get together. But you're going to have an opportunity to help design and build this. Work experience is far less important than great passion and the idea that you know how to build great things and you've been looking for that opportunity to show people what you can do. We think the opportunity for Zwamy is as big as the opportunity of Spotify. We think we can reach literally millions of people around the world with this vision. Everybody from children to 80-year-old grandmothers are going to enjoy what Zwamy can do. We're using a lean startup approach. And what that really means is the 5 of us are funding this out of our pockets. So we're not going to be able to pay you a lot of money, but we can pay you some, and we're going to give you stock. And we're going to succeed together. We already have a prototype that we run ourselves, so we know what we're trying to do. And we want to get into the market as fast as possible and get the first 5 or 10,000 people using Zwamy, which will enable us to go out and get a Series A round of financing so we can turn this into a real company with real offices and pay you a real salary. But between now and then, I can promise you one of the best times of your life working with some incredible people where you'll learn as you've never learned before about what it takes to build the next great business.